Hello, welcome guys. This is Eastwire once again. Welcome to my YouTube page. Okay, I got a request from one of my fans that I should show them how to solder a calibrator on smartphones or Android phones. Okay, today we have this Techno Camon CX Air. I'm showing you guys on how to change the calibrator. When I was offline, so I have to put the phone on the machine to hit the phone, and after hitting the phone, so then we successfully remove the top. So you see, so then we are going to remove the calibrator now. So this is this phone. Then this is my solder iron. Yes. Then you use your paste. You get a paste. This is your paste. This is my paste. This is a paste. Then you attach the paste to the point where you need to remove it from. Okay. Let's see. Now then, what you do now? Then you raise the cali up. You raise the cali up. Then you do it like this, straight. Okay. So this is the calibrator now. So this is the calibrator, and then you solder back. You dress it properly. Okay. You dress it properly. It's very neat now. So I don't know which country you are, but here in Nigeria, whenever we get calibrator, it always has this extra flex here. So I don't know how your own country flex is when you get your own calibrator. So this is how our own is here. So what we'll do here, we'll have to cut this side off. Please, can you zoom it for me? We'll cut this edge out. We'll cut this edge out, and we'll leave this one, and then so then you use your renter to do that work now. Okay. So you see, so you have to cut it out. See, so now I'm going to start bending it sideways. See? So bend it front and back. See, so it's a little bit soft now. Then I remove it. So you see, guys. So you see straight. So you see, it's okay. On all phones, this Camon CX is the most hardest phone to solder because in other phones, the calibrator flex point to be maybe a little bit down, and you can easily solder it. But this one is very close to the screen. So and the calibrator flex it's not that long. So let me show you how it is. Let me show you. So okay, that thing you do is you take your leg. Sometimes just do this. Just dress it properly. Yes, sir. So see, I have a tissue on with me here, so I'm going to wrap the tissue very tight. I'm cleaning my solder iron again. So this is the part where we have to solder the calibrator back to the phone. The new calibrator back. So I have my tissue, rub my tissue, and because it's going to be very hot for me to hold it down there. So I'll drop it at the under of the screen, tissue at the bottom of the screen, just under the screen there, and I just bend it a little bit so you can relax properly at the screen. So this is it now. Then take your paste once again and apply your paste. Apply your paste and dress it a little bit. Make sure it's in line with each other. Then you solder. Then you get your leg. Please, while doing this work, make sure your soldering is sharp and tiny, because this CX it doesn't have enough chance to solder like other calibrator. So okay, I'm done. So you can see I'm done with it now. So you see, you guys see now it's working. So see, calibrator is working properly. This is my 1, my 2, my 3, my 4, my 5, my 6, my 7, my 8, my 9, my asta, my 0, and my hash, my delete, then my home, then my minimize, my back, and my lights. So thank you guys. Please like and comment and subscribe to my YouTube page. Thank you.